Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, myself Dr. Nipin. Today I am going to tell you a simple but very beneficial homemade tip which is very helpful for cold, cough or chest congestion or throat infection, etc. So this is very helpful for each and everyone, and you can try it in home anytime because the ingredients are very easily available in our home. So let's see to it. Yes, now our medicine is ready here. It having pounded onion, garlic and honey. I will add 2 pinch of Sainthaval lavana, that is rock salt. The medicine which we see just now is very helpful. It fights against the infection, flu, cold or cough, etc. And it helps to take out the kapha, which is, kapha means the phlegm, which is accumulated on your chest region, which causes congestion over your chest. It's a antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal and antiseptic medication. It also helps to reduce the cholesterol level and BP. Also, it acts as a antibiotic in our body in some cases, and also it soothes the nerves. So it helps to energize your nerves too. So I hope you all try this whenever you are having cough or cold or some kind of issues or some kind of infections in your body. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.